welcome back. In my last video, I explained how characters on keyboard end up as binary data of ones and zeros inside of a computer. Let's now explore how images are stored. It is no different for images. An image needs to be broken down and converted to binary data. In this context, I would like to share this interesting history. In ancient civilizations, people used to make images using small stone blocks. They would arrange the stone blocks in a specific order and color. This is one example. The way the stones are arranged would depict an image. Modern computer uses an exactly similar technique. At a high level, the computer understands the image as a bunch of tiny square grids called pixels. The name pixel was derived from picture element. An image consists of number of pixels. Next time you hear that an image size is 100 by 100, that means it has 100 times 100, 10,000 pixels in it. Each tiny square grid or pixel is considered a 0 or 1. To explain this concept in a much simpler way, here is a picture I drew of a tiny house on Microsoft Paint, which is a common application we use on Windows computer. When you instruct the computer to save this image, the computer actually saves this image internally as a bunch of zeros and ones. Now, how does the computer break the image into tiny squares? Let me use a spreadsheet to explain further. I am taking 20 squares horizontally and 20 vertically. Consider each of this square or cell in the spreadsheet a pixel. Now, let me add some spreadsheet formatting rules for the cells, where if I type 1 in the grid, the cell turns black and the 0 stays white. I am creating an image of a house now. As you can see, when I'm updating the cells with values 0 or 1, I'm able to create an image of a house. This is exactly how the computer understands the image and stores it internally, which is it breaks the image into thousands of such tiny square boxes, also called as pixels, which in turn is a bunch of zeros and ones. In the spreadsheet, I have used squares that are a little larger, so it is easier for me to explain. Imagine we have thousands of even smaller squares than what I have here. The image of this house would look much clearer when opened up. Okay, how about you take a spreadsheet and try to create a picture like the one I have tried? It would be an interesting project. If you created one, please post the image as a YouTube comment. Wrapping up, in this video, I tried to make it easier for you all to understand how a computer stores text or image files. There are other inputs that a computer gets, like sound from a microphone, videos that are recorded and stored, etc. All these are also converted and stored as binary data. Check out for my next video, where I will try to explain how the computer does some mathematical calculations. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. It is session.ly. Click on the bell icon to be notified for each of my new posts. Thank you so much for watching and hope you enjoyed.